Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Giga X7, and we have an issue that maybe is all too common where these fins break, and then unfortunately the machine won't work at all if those fins break on the top here. So we replaced them, and so let's turn it on and it'll boot. I just want to show it booting up. Oh, gotta have water to the tank. Okay, I added water, so now it's rinsing. Let's make an espresso. And then we're going to test the milk function. I just put some water in here. You can see it's sucking water from the pitcher like it's supposed to. I already showed a video of this earlier to the customer. So that's why I'm not going to use milk again. And then I have to clean the whole system again. Alright, so it's working well. So I'll just run the cleaning cycle here and then we'll be done. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.